Can you get in there? Oh, wow. Oh, dude. We'll get rid of that easily tonight. Oh, yeah, obviously you want to wear pants, because it hurts if you don't. Oh, look at that. I just found a sniper position, Johnny. Right there. Against a tree. Camera's getting all wet. Whoa. It is, actually. We should make this into a second fort. Well, that's not really the hazard. As long as we get rid of, like, the major jags.
Here you go.
Here.
Tell. Good opening out that way.
There's also
Up and opening that way to our retreating. Where are you going?
There's a log right here. And also there's a little trail back there.
Yeah.
Either get out of the gaming map if you're the like biggest stupid person in the world.
Here. There's an exit out that way too.
Yeah, follow the path that we like didn't even know. George probably. Yeah. Yeah, we kind of found him when we were like constructing our fort. He just stood there and thought we were retarded. So I shot off my CO2 pistol, and that didn't work out as I thought. Okay, as we continue to run through the forest and try to find decent amount of cover. That hurt my hand. No, I don't. Oh yeah, there's the exit to get out of that, if you were wondering. Whew. We found a few exits here. And also, it's pretty good for a little covering. If you don't mind getting shot sometimes in the face. What are you doing? Yeah. Well, at least you can hide back here. Oh, wow. Here, take the camera.
Found another place to hide.
Oh, my hat's getting all wet.
Oh, and my back's getting all wet.
Oh, wow.
Retreat to the field.
This is actually a decent spot. All we gotta do is clear out the weeds.
Wow, this is gonna be good.
Kind of funny how we're finding stuff that we didn't even know.
Jagger bush. Cut it down.
Okay, let's go back.
Yeah. Need a better way to get back here.
Also, if you're freaking fat and tall,
good luck.
Yeah, I'm tall and I'm like locked. Do you not see this? I am like 5'10", and I cannot move.
I feel bad for Adam.
That would just be painful for Adam.
He's like 6'5".
Yeah, that would just be bad on him. Oh my god. There's another one. Yeah, there's two ways actually. That way, what we just went, and the other way. This one's left. The other one we're going to is right. So we're just going to cut through the middle here. That moved. Stupid bunnies. Phew. Yeah, it's the prison for Johnny. Johnny, start dancing. Yeah. Throw the money.
This is our higher way. You go the highway or the low way?
Yeah, there's actually a hill right there to make you like level. The hill's not really As Johnny likes to say in other movies, the mountain.
You watch our bike riding ones.
That got in my way.
Did you need to retreat to that side, to that field, or this side to another field?
Which that field right there is nothing really?
It's gonna be a house soon.
Yeah. Okay, wait, over here. I found something. This is more like the reloading section I would think of.
Like you get back here, reload.
Yeah, this is because we can just put the ammo right behind this tree and crawl under there for snipers.
We can throw M80s back here and throw them at them.
That would work too.
But that might not be a good idea.
No.
Who knows what's illegal.
There's one right there, a little camping spot behind that broken down tree. Go over there, John.
My name's John.
Joanna.
Be a good spot to hide behind. Shoot them.
Yeah, as long as you don't get shot first.
Boom.
Exactly.
I'm trying.
Okay, continue with the retreat.
Good thing to have pants on.
Yeah, I told him to wear
I don't
pants.
have boots.
Yeah, I got boots because I'm a smart boy.
I didn't bring my boots. My shoes are, my socks are wet now.
Yeah, and this is the final fight right here. That's what I like to call it.
If you get back here, that means your thing sucks.
You're just screwed if you come back here.
You are not good. You're an adult, but
Yeah, like there's barbed wire there,
I cut myself on that.
of course. And the only really way... That doesn't feel like moving. Yeah, it's not moving. Yeah,
No.
John, go football on it.
Go football.
This is
Ow.
my face.
It's like running into a football.
Falling. Anyway, this is mainly the final fight area. If you somehow...
This is where the white flag's gonna be.
Yeah, if you somehow... Okay, after that encounter with the dogs...
Oh.
This is the final fight.
Final fight, yeah.
Yeah. If you somewhat live this, you will go down in the record books of ours that we have not been taken up yet.
We never started yet?
Yup. Mainly, there's a tree there. Go hide behind that one.
Tell me what to do.
I'll go in the front just to see how it looks. Yeah, right there. Oh my god, it returned. Ah! The Shih Tzu's returned. The other side. Like you can crouch right there. Where it kind of like splits or goes up. Yeah. That's mainly the only place you can survive. Let's go to the enemy lines. Now, we're back on our fort, as you can kind of not tell.
Dog scared the crap out of us.
That was an epic. Okay, Johnny, lead us to the enemy lines.
This way?
No, the opposite way. We'll just take a shortcut so we save time.